What's going on, guys? It's n.aazir, and today I'm going to be going over an important topic. Have you guys ever had a fit that just didn't look right, or the colors were off, or something just wasn't right in the fit? Well, today I'm going to be coming at you guys with how I put together my outfits on a day-to-day basis. Now, to start, you want to think of the look that you're going for. Now, a lot of us probably have the same fit every single day just because of the situation right now. But if you're looking to do something different, look up the type of fit you're looking for. There are a lot of platforms like Twitter and Pinterest and Instagram where you can see different outfits and find one that you're looking for. For example, on this day, I decided to do something a bit more streetwear-like. So that would be the look that I will be going for today. Also, a bonus is to always check the weather before planning an outfit. If you're someone like me that sometimes plans a few days ahead of time for an outfit, then the weather is always in consideration. Because you don't want to step outside in shorts and then it's raining cats and dogs. Just nobody wants to do that. So always check the weather so that way not only can you drip or drown, but you can also be dressed for the proper conditions. The second part of what I usually do when I plan my outfits is I usually start with the top. Now, depending on the weather, it might be a t-shirt, it might be a sweatshirt, it might be something long sleeve, something light, something heavy. So I always start with my top first. Now, I usually wear a lot of t-shirts, and I'll probably address how to properly get a fit off with a t-shirt and any type of fit in a future video. But I usually start with my tops first. Another thing is to pay attention to the color palette that you are looking for. When you are making an outfit or getting an outfit together, you want to make sure that the colors complement each other or slightly match. Just because you don't want to be wearing a highlighter yellow and then match it with something like a dark navy blue. That just does not make enough sense. So always pay attention to the top that you're choosing and the color palette that you'll probably be going for your entire outfit. Now, the next part that I usually pay attention to is the bottoms. Now, the bottoms could be anything from sweatpants to shorts to cargo pants, jeans, just even half a onesie if that's really what you do and that's really your vibe. But the bottom is usually the second part. Now, you don't really have to be as color complementing when it comes to your bottoms. Just make sure that your bottoms flow very nice with the type of look you're going for, or they're just a very, very nice color that's just kind of like an accent color to the main color palette that you're looking for. Don't be out here wearing a highlighter orange. I don't know why I keep using highlight colors. No one's really wearing hazard colors unless you're construction or anything like that. But anyway, don't be out here just have a nice top that flows and has super ruffles, and then your bottoms be having 100 bands in them, and you just looking like Boo Boo the Fool, basically. Also, make sure that you are comfortable in your bottoms. If they don't fit, they don't fit. Don't try to squeeze into some skinny denim so you can be walking around like Lil Baby in some Balenciagas. Just don't do that, bro. Now, for one of the key parts of the outfit is your shoes. Now, the extra with this is you want to make sure your shoes complement your outfit. You don't want to be wearing a shoe that's super chunky if your whole outfit is a little bit of a slimmer look. You might even want to match it with the type of look that you're going for. So if you're going to be wearing baggy cargo pants or something like that, you want to pair it with some nice dad shoes, or a shoe that's kind of chunk, mosquito stomper low key. You want to pair it with something like that. You want to make sure that your shoes complement your entire outfit, so that way you don't have an outfit that looks very, very nice flowing, and then when you get to the shoes, it's like you went stupid and went crazy. You just don't want that. And last but not least, you can't forget about your accessories, bro. You want to accessorize with things that also complement your outfit. You don't want to be wearing all your ice and then you just be wearing a really, really low-key outfit. you're not a rapper. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with you. You're not a rapper. So you want to make sure that your accessories complement your outfit. Now another thing you can do with accessories is this is where attention to detail really makes or breaks the fit. If you have on your accessories and they're out there but the rest of your fit is on point, it's just basically the whole outfit is on point, to be honest. So you want to make sure that your attention to detail with your accessories is on point. Maybe pair it with a nice bag, maybe pair it with some nice, bracelets or like sunglasses, or maybe some cool earrings. You just want to make sure when you accessorize, just like the rest of your outfit, that you keep it in the outfit's theme. Like, it's not like you're dressing up for Halloween every day, but you just want to keep it like, fire. Like, you want to make sure your fit is like fresh. You don't want to like look like someone that can't dress. Like, there's no way you can have all that heat in your closet and put it together the wrong way. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. And if it is, I honestly feel sorry for you. But yeah, your accessories and attention to detail are very key in your entire outfit. Someone probably gonna be looking at me like, look who's talking. Now last but not least is stepping out and getting a photo of the fit. I know we can't really step out and really like go nowhere, but you can at least find a good spot when you go outside and get some fresh air during these times to complement your outfit and get a fit off. But don't be trying to wear something that make you blend in to whatever you plan to take a photo with. This ain't camo, bro. Like, be mindful of that. But I hope you guys enjoy. Towards the end of this, I am going to shoot a little bit of B-roll of just an example of how I paired my outfit today with the accessories and the attention to detail and things like that. And I'm actually going to show you 3 different types of ways that I can actually work with the outfit that I already have. Maybe it will help give some of you guys some inspiration or just how to pair some things together. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.